Hey travel enthusiasts! Planning a trip to Paris? Let me guide you through some must-visit spots that'll make your Parisian adventure unforgettable. Grab your croissants and let's dive in. First up, the iconic Eiffel Tower. You can't say you've been to Paris without visiting this beauty. Take the elevator up for a panoramic view of the city, and if you're feeling adventurous, try the stairs. Don't forget to visit at night when it sparkles. Magical. Next, let's cruise along the Seine River. A Seine River Cruise is the perfect way to soak in the city's charm. You'll glide past landmarks like Notre Dame and the Louvre. Speaking of the Louvre, don't miss it. Home to the Mona Lisa and countless other masterpieces, you could spend days exploring its treasures. Now, how about something sweet? Join a Macaron Baking Class in central Paris. Learn to make these delicate, colorful treats from a local pastry chef. And yes, you get to eat them too. Delicious. Ready for something spooky? Check out the Catacombs of Paris. This underground ossuary holds the remains of over 6 million people. It's eerie, fascinating, and definitely unforgettable. From the eerie to the enchanting, let's head to Montmartre's hidden gems. Start at Blanche, where you'll find the Moulin Rouge, famous for its cabaret shows and the iconic red windmill. Then wander up to the Wall of Love. It's covered in I love you, written in over 250 languages. Perfect for a romantic selfie. Keep exploring Montmartre, and you'll stumble upon the Moulin de la Galette. Once a windmill, now a charming restaurant, it's a piece of Parisian history. And don't miss La Panagio, a historic cabaret where Picasso once hung out. Finally, make your way to the Basilica of the Sacred Heart of Paris, perched atop Montmartre Hill. The view from up here, simply breathtaking. It's the perfect spot to end your Montmartre adventure. And if you have time, take a day trip to the Palace of Versailles. Just outside Paris, it's a stunning example of French opulence. Wander through the Hall of Mirrors and the expansive gardens. It's like stepping back in time. Alright, that's a wrap on our whirlwind tour of Paris. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, there's something for everyone in this magical city. So, pack your bags and get ready to fall in love with Paris. Au revoir and happy travels.